In this video, I'll show you how to add captions to your videos in Canva, whether you're working on full landscape videos or vertical shorts. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like. Adding captions makes your content more accessible, more engaging, and ready to reach a wider audience. So let's add captions to some videos in Canva. Go ahead and open Canva. Then start a new video project. If you're working on a full video, choose the landscape format. If you're creating a short, select the mobile video option. That opens up the Canva editor. From the toolbar, click Upload and bring in your video file. Once it's uploaded, drag it into the timeline. Select your video track in the timeline, then head back to the toolbar and click Text. From there, choose Captions. You'll see a variety of caption styles. Scroll through and pick the one you like. You can change the color of the text and background right here, or adjust it later. When you're ready, click Generate Captions. Canva will automatically create captions using its speech-to-text transcription tool. The captions show up as separate boxes above your video track, each one broken into segments that match the timing of your audio. If you're working with vertical video or shorts, Canva automatically adjusts the text blocks to fit the dimensions. Play the video back to see how they look. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to block and unblock an email address in Gmail. If you find this useful, please consider. At the top menu bar, click Captions. This opens the Captions panel on the left side of the editor, where all the caption segments appear as blocks. This is where you go to see the words and make edits. To fix any errors, click the pencil icon next to a block and edit the text. From this panel, you can also change the caption style if you want a different look. Now use Canva's design tools to adjust the style of your captions and make them stand out. You can tweak the font size, text color, and text background to improve readability and match your brand. If you want to go further, you can add or change the text effects, apply or change animations, and update the highlight color. Whatever helps the existing style fit your video's look and brand. To make sure all caption boxes update together, select them as a group. The easiest way is to click Position at the top bar, go to Layers, and select the caption group. That way, any changes you make apply across all captions at once. Make your final adjustments until you're satisfied. Play the video back once more to check if everything looks the way you want. Block an email address in Gmail. If you find this useful, when everything looks good, click Share. Then Download. Export the video as an MP4 and your captions will be embedded directly into the file. Whether you're working on a landscape video or a vertical short, your video is now ready to upload with professional captions. And that's how you add captions to your video in Canva. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and drop a comment below to let me know how it worked for you. Check out more tutorials here on NetPlussystemsllc+guides and tutorials, where we make everything online easy to understand.